as well. Now I'm going to configure this client IP address. Okay, so let's go to client side and do the configuration. So this is my HU PC2, this is PC1, and these PC. I'm going to do the configuration of these PCs. So I would click on these PC. That's a very simple. I can see the console. If I right click on the desktop, I would go to network manager option, and from here I would select the property. I would select a use static IP. There I would define the client IP, right? So for this client, my IP is 10.0.0.1. So let me just configure IP there. IP is 10.0.0.1. Sorry, 10.0.1.1, and then subnet mask, where it is. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and gateway is my firewall IP, port number 3 of the firewall, and port number 3 of the firewall is having 254. So let me just go and configure that IP there. 254. And DNS, I am putting 8.8.8.8, 4.2.2.2. Okay. And then I would click on this connect option. It's connected. Let's close it and try to ping the firewall from here. So to ping, I need to open the terminal services. Ping a firewall IP 10.0.1.254 and see if it can ping. So client connectivity is fine. Let's go to another one, another client. Let me just close this. Another client, which is PC2. Let's define IP here as well. Right click, network manager, property, use static. Let me define IP 10.0.1.2, then subnet mask 255 and 255. Then gateway 254, and then DNS 8.8.8.8, 4.2.2.2, and then OK. Then click on connect, and then close it. Let's verify whether it is able to ping 10.0.1.254. It's able to ping. That's fine. So if I talk about this client PC, these client PC are nothing but the tiny Linux image. I think this should be Slackware. Yeah, this is tiny Linux image, and this is a Slackware based Linux. Okay, and you know, using these client PC, we will just perform basic operation, and that's why we haven't taken any Windows PC or anything else. Right. So on the headquarter client side configuration is done. Let's go to branch side and do the client side configuration. So this is, sorry, before branch side, I would go here on the data center side. Let's configure PC1 on the data center. So this is this data center PC1. Let's open terminal and let's configure, sorry, network, and let's configure its IP. So go to property, use static, give the IP 10.0.2.1 and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then gateway 254, which is my firewall IP, and then DNS 8.8.8.8 4.2.2.2, and let's click on OK. Click on connect. Let's close it. Sorry, I didn't verify. So let's verify whether I can ping my firewall or not. Because on firewall side ping is enabled, so I should be able to ping 10.0.2.254. I'm able to ping. That means connectivity from client side to the firewall is fine. Let's go to PC2 and do the configuration. Network manager, property, and use static IP address 10.0.2.2 255.255.255.0, and then here we should set 254, which is firewall IP, and then 8.8.8.8 and 4.2.2.2. These are the Google forwarder. Let's connect and verify using ping command. So let's open terminal, try to ping firewall 10.0.2.254, and now connectivity is fine. So on the client side configuration for the DC1 DC completed. Now I would go to branch side and we'll do the configuration on branch side. So this is branch PC. Let's open network. Right click network manager, property, use static IP address, and it would be 10.0.3.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and then this is 254, and this is 8.8.8.8, 4.2.2.2, okay, let's do the connect. And let's verify if I can ping or not. So go to terminal, try to ping firewall 10.0.3.254. Good. This is done. Let's go to PC2. Let's assign IP there. So to assign IP, go to network and then property, use static IP, and then let's assign IP 10.0.3.2, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and then gateway, it's 254, and then This is 8.8.8.8, 4.2.2.2. Let's click on OK and then click on this connect option. Okay, so let's try to ping. Okay, so try to ping which IP? The firewall IP 10.0.3.254. It's able to ping. So this side configuration we have done, client side configuration. Now the thing is, I need to take the backup of each devices so that if there is anything wrong with the firewall, I should be able to restore that.